Apple announces a new MacBook Air 15.3-inch display with the M2 chip. The world thinnest 15-inch laptop, new MacBook Air with the M2 chip. It is 12x faster than the fastest Intel-based MacBook Air, and it twice as fast as the competing laptop according to the Apple. The new fanless MacBook Air has a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, the 3-microphone array, and all-new 6-speaker system with the 2 tweeter and 2 set for force cancelling wafers that support immersive spatial audio. Apple also claims the laptop can last up to 18 hours on a single charge. The new laptop also includes MagSafe 2 Thunderbolt ports for connecting accessory and up to 6K external display along with the 3.5mm jack headphone jack. In terms of display, it offers up to 500 nits of brightness and support for 1 billion color, while being color and resolution and 2500 brighter than the comparable best-selling Intel Core i7 PC laptop. As for the M2 chip, it has a 8-core CPU with the 4-core performance core and 4 efficiency cores, 10-core GPU and 16-core neural engine. M2 also delivers 100 GB memory bandwidth, the support up to 24 GB up to fast unified memory. Like the standard MacBook Air, the new 15-inch model comes with 4 colors, including silver, space gray, starlight, and midnight. The starting price, the new MacBook Air starting with the $1,199 and $1,299 for education and customer.